Hello everyone, welcome back to the Joe Lifestyle. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be making my spicy beef stew. It's one of my favorite comfort foods, and when you're stuck at home in strange days like these, sometimes you crave some comfort food. So let's get down to the ingredients. I've got about 1 kilogram of stewing beef that has been marinating in some soy sauce and some Worcestershire for about 2 hours. I'm going to drain some of the brine and use some of it for my stew. I've chopped up about 3 medium potatoes, 1 medium onion, 1 large carrot, about 4 or 5 mushrooms. This is about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon each of crushed red chili flakes, parsley, dillweed, and some cumin, and about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika. Of course, you need some diced tomatoes. If you want, you can use some kind of broth, vegetable broth, chicken broth, beef broth, whatever, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. I would have to say that would be the bare minimum you would need for my beef stew. I prefer a bit more flavor, so I'm going to add about 3 more cloves of minced garlic, and that is a minced Scotch bonnet pepper. In a large pot, I've heated up about a cup of olive oil on medium heat. We'll just add the garlic. There's about 6 cloves of garlic in there because I love garlic. And add your onions. Stir that up for about a minute. You just gotta love the smell of fried onions and garlic. Once you start to see the onions become a little bit translucent, then you can add your beef. Now I've drained some of the brine, but I do want some soya sauce and Worcestershire in my stew, so I'm going to use some of it. And again, you don't have to cook it to death as long as it starts to turn brown. So once again, we have a teaspoon of dried chili flakes, parsley flakes, dillweed, and cumin powder. Also add your half teaspoon of cayenne pepper and paprika. Of course, because it's me, I'm going to add my hot pepper, and this is totally optional for you. Get all of that in there. And you give that a stir. Once that's been cooking for a couple of minutes, you can add your potatoes. You can add your carrots and your mushrooms. And of course, you don't forget about your salt and pepper. We'll give that a mix. Now would be a good time to add your diced tomatoes or crushed tomatoes, or you can use a combination of some kind of tomato sauce and some kind of broth. Once that's mixed, I'd like to submerge all the ingredients. And then I reduce the heat to low, cover it, and let it simmer for about a good half hour to 45 minutes. Oh my. Ooh, that looks and smells amazing. I need a bowl of that right now. Boy, that's hearty, savory, spicy, that's full of flavor. Everything you might want out of a comforting stew. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, it's a pretty simple recipe. I've got a lot left over, but that's the whole point. I'm going to freeze some and have some next week. So hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.